Comrade, it's great having you. Bismarck say I have a lot of Bismarck say I have a lot of motivational messages. Go to YouTube, go to my channel. Nothing can stop you. Prayer, nothing can stop you. Motivational messages. They're 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Watch them, subscribe to them. And some of these motivational messages are building yourself as a millionaire. Also, go to YouTube. So I go to YouTube, have another channel. Your marriage will be a state of mind to the world. A lot of teachings on dating and courtship and marriage. Watch them and subscribe to them. Watch them and subscribe to them. Also, I have another channel, River from the Temple Sermon. A lot of sermons like My Secret is Jesus. Go and watch them, subscribe to them. Bismarck say go to my YouTube channel. Nothing can stop your motivation message. Their motivation message, they are 15 minutes, like building yourself as a millionaire. There are 60 of them. Go and watch them and subscribe to them. Also have another channel, Your Marriage Will Be a State of Mind to what a lot of teachings on dating and courtship and marriage. Also watch them, subscribe to them. Also have academic videos, economics videos on YouTube. When you go to YouTube, Bismarck say economic videos, you get them. Also I have entrepreneurship. We have finished one of our lessons on how to create a new train of business. So we have that also available on Bismarck Entrepreneurship lecture. Also go and watch them, subscribe to them, send me a comment. And also I have a lot of ebooks operating on Amazon Kindle and Gumroad. There are ebooks, Building Your Competitiveness, the Credit Panel, $4. Being possible of this world without you, $4. Something inside the world is needed, $4. Your marriage will be a state of mind to $5. Leaders Generating gets $5. Go and get these books for yourself. These books also these new books are uploaded in the month of June 2024. Also Building Yourself as Self-Made Millionaire, $4. Enhancing Your Risk-Taking Ability, $4. Enhancing Your Decision-Making Ability, $4. Growing with a Cloud of Lunar Synchronicities, $4. Also Smart Level Competition, put together, $5. All these books have been loaded for you. Get them. I'm not getting the sales. I'm advertising on Facebook. I'm not getting this. If you want to help me sell them, you can call me on the country code in Ghana is 023 +23, and my number is 27505641. If you're calling from Ghana, it's just 027 510 5641. Help me sell, then we can strike an agreement. That's why I'm counting on you. So this is a series of lectures on entrepreneurship, and you're looking at growing a business. We're going to talk about growing a business from a small scale to a large scale. So that's what basically we're going to talk about. And sorry for the biggest and images. It's not from me, it's from Facebook. I'm using a standard camera on Facebook. That's costing that. So we're going to talk about a lecture on how do I grow a business from a small scale to a large scale. So developmentally, we need to rebalance ourselves with explosiveness and be hell bent and be dead set, or we have to be very determined to grow our small scale business to a multinational. So you have to be hell bent, dead set means that you have to be hell bent, dead set means that you have to be determined. Because if you can dream it, you can do it. Gold medals are not made of gold. Gold medals are made of determination. And as a matter of fact, growing your business from a small scale to a large scale will not happen by accident. It will happen by determination, efficiency, and igniting your resourcefulness, knowing that indeed there's a billionaire in you. And indeed that what you are made up of is greater than your achievement and your destiny. So we have to think about, and if you think about growing your business from a large scale to a small scale, what you do is what makes you different. If you are thinking of growing your business from a small scale to a large scale, there's this man you can epitomize. We call him Robert Edward Tenner, the third. Who is that man who grew a business from a small scale to a large scale? He's an American entrepreneur, television producer, the media provider, and philanthropist. In 1963, he's the owner of CNN company. He's still alive. Tenner, in 1963, he took over his father's advertising company. At that time, they called it the Tenner Outdoor Advertising Company. It wasn't a big company, it was a small company. At that time, the father, even the company was in serious debt, so the father committed suicide. When he took over, he brought a lot of innovative ideas, productivity, leapfrog in production efficiency, thus making the company a global enterprise. It became one of the largest outdoor advertising companies in the Southeast in the US, in the Southeast environment in the Georgia, around Georgia. He ventured later after advertising. Initially, was advertising. Later, he ventured into the area of 1969. Started producing television stations in Atlanta. He was from Atlanta, called the UHCF channel 17. That time, it was not performed. That when he bought that media house, first he was in advertising. When he bought the media house, it was not performing well, and what he did that he knew that he can change the future. He changed the call sign of the television channel to what they call WTCG, what they call watch this channel grow. So when he changed the television station to that, watch 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 this channel grow. By 1972, they watched the channel grow. That media house, he invested into media. Then it had a broadcasting right to telecast the Atlanta Braves and Atlanta Hawks. In 1965, in 1976, the FCC, the Federal Communication Confederation, allowed the WTCG, they watch this channel television station, allow it to use local cable that help them to satellite that help them to transcend images from the Mars to the Earth to increase, and this helped them. When the FCC allowed the Watch News channel to use satellite to transmit images to local cable, it helped them to increase their subscribers to 2 million people. In 1978, Edward Turner met Rose Schofield, and this is where they decided to plan. They asked him, how much do I need to plan? And they said they want to set up a television station. I told you before that he was in advertising. When the father left, he went to the television, the FM station, and went to television. He met a man called Rosenfeld. So I want to start a TV station, and he said I want to call it the CNN cable network. And he said that how much do I need? I said you need this amount of money. Okay, you raise the amount of money. In 1979, they started in the early 80s. They started set up the CNN today we have today. And Edward Turner is still alive. Last time he gave the UN $1 billion to finance nuclear work. And he's a man you can epitomize. He's a venerated person who understood what it means to grow a business from a small scale to a large scale, to a small scale to multinational. Today you have CNN and he's a billionaire today. I want to remind you, I'm Bestman, say go to my YouTube channel. Nothing custom motivation, but their motivation must say there's 60 of them, they're 50 minutes. One of them is building yourself as a millionaire. Watch them, subscribe to them, like them, and also send your comment. Also, I have another channel, Your Marriage, Your Be a State of Mind, with a lot of teachings on dating and courtship and marriage. Watch them, subscribe to them. So I have another playlist called River from the Temple Sermon. There are sermons like My Secret is Jesus, by Building a Competitiveness, also the sermons, a lot of sermons, My Economy of God, more than 40 sermons. Watch them, subscribe to them, and send a comment. Also have a lot of academic videos like economics. Go to my economics video, watch them, subscribe to them. National income accounting, a lot will be coming up in the coming month. Also have another playlist where there's entrepreneurship. In entrepreneurship, we have creating a new trend of business, and we have all these series coming. Also watch them, subscribe to them. They're 50 minutes. Also, I've written a lot of ebooks. Amazon Kano and Gamble, Building Your Competitiveness in the Crowded Planet, $4. To be impossible of this world without you, $4. Something inside the world is in the $4. Leaders of generation, I think it's $5. Your marriage will be a state of mind to $5. Also, these new books have been uploaded in the month of June 2024. Building yourself as a semi-millennial, $4. Enhancing your risk-taking ability, $4. Enhancing decision-making ability, $4. Growing with a cloud of preliminary synchronicities, $4. Also, smarter than level competition put together. I've been advertising on Facebook. I'm not getting the sales. I'm counting on you guys help me get the sales. Buy some from me. Also, if you can help me advertise or sell them, we can agree on a payment plan. If we sell them, I'll pay you. You can take my number. The country code, Ghana country code is +233. Then you add my number 27-510-5641. Or if you're in Ghana, you're calling, you don't need to add the country code. You have to go for it to say, right, type 027-510-5641 so that we can sell it, and I'll give you good sales. I'll give you good returns for that, your effort. So I'll be sharing with you how do I grow a business from a small scale to multinational. And we heard about CNN, the owner of CNN, how he grew their father advertising company from a small scale to large scale. So we want to discuss how the question is the climax. How do I grow a business from a small scale to large scale? What should I do? Number one, expansively examine managerial capabilities and strategies from top global CEOs. Look at Fortune 500 companies, the list of them. Look at these top managers. Extrapolate their managerial capabilities and strategies to help you equip you with that managerial capabilities, especially those that are in line with your business. Operationalize these to grow your business. We have these top-notch companies. We call them the global 500 companies, where they are CEOs. These CEOs didn't become CEOs by accident because they are have the managerial capabilities and the strategies that help them. So if indeed you want to achieve that, one of the things is the area of managerial expertise. And for you to achieve that, you can examine these personality, the CEOs of a Global 500, those that are in line with those are in line with your business agenda. Examine them, extrapolate a lot of managerial capability and story for them, strategies from them to help and sharpen your managerial capabilities and abilities to achieve that what you want to achieve. As done by a woman called Georgia Hope Reynard. Georgia Hope Reynard, as an Australian, that time was in the University of Sydney. The father said he should stop the university and come to help. The father had started the Hankook company, a very small mining company. He came to help the father. He stopped living in the University of Sydney and came to help. When the father died, he took over that time. Before the father died, the company had a contingency liability of about 100 million Australian dollars. But she took over, managed it well, and turned the table around. Today, this is among the top 7 richest people in the world. You can also epitomize such venerated personality. Number two, most enhance your productivity and efficiency. Find out how you enhance your productivity and efficiency every hour, every day to achieve your dream. Find out how you have to be very productive and efficient every hour, every day to grow your business to a large scale. If you want to grow your business to a large scale, one of the areas you have to look within yourself without any ambivalence. How do I become very productive? Every day, every hour, every month. Without anything, it'll be very monstrous that anybody can achieve it if you are not very productive and efficient. If you have everything, resources, and everything you have, then forget about that mindset that you can grow your business for a small scale. And it don't happen. It'll be just rhetorical flourish and short-term steroids. So you have to work towards enhancing. Tell me, how do I achieve that? Examine strategies from resource-oriented personalities in your field of discipline, how they are very productive and efficient. Examine their strategies, extrapolate this to indeed equip yourself to make you very productive. Those who are resource-oriented personalities in your field of discipline, examine product strategy that make them very productive, very efficient, that have taken the whole world as their oyster. So one of the ways you can do to achieve that. Number two, one of the ways you can make yourself very productive, efficient every hour, every day, to get rid of any abhorrent attitude that does not make you very productive. Any attitude of worry, complaints, acrimony, resentment, disappointment, social media, excessive thinking and worrying. Get rid, jettisoning them. It doesn't make you very productive. Worry is counterproductive. Worry is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do. It doesn't take you anywhere. Go and watch my motivation message on worry. It's like a rocking chair. So if people are not very productive because excessive worry, bitterness, acrimony, resentment, disappointment, excessive thinking, lack of concentration, social media. So undertake these things. Every night before you go to bed, examine yourself. How were you very productive and efficient that day? And find out what are the things that are not making you very productive and efficient, and see what some of the palliative measures you have to implement. Maybe if you compare what you're supposed to be achieved a day and what you ought to achieve, have you be able to personalize it? One of the ways you can make yourself very productive, one, we said extrapolate a lot of strategy from resource-oriented personalities to that help them to achieve their dream consistently. Number two, get rid of any attitude that makes you very non-productive, like worry, resentment, acrimony, disappointment, social media, excessive worry, disappointment, and complaint. A man called Carlos Ghosn, who managed Nissan, Renault, Michelin, North America, and the chairman of Mitsubishi over the period. All this company was very productive. They gave him work, he cracked it. They gave him work, he cracked it, and consistently was able to achieve that. You can also achieve that for yourself if you have such mindset. Every company gave him, as he can crack it. He went to North and he cracked it. He went to Nissan. That time Nissan have about 33 cars. They were all in locomotive debt. He said, give me 3 years. Within 3 years, I'll turn it. And he did it within 3. When he went to Renault too, he did it. Everywhere he went, Carlos Ghosn achieved their dream because he understood what it means to be very productive and efficient. At the point, he was managing 2 companies in 2 different countries. The CEO, board chairman, and all automobile companies. When Carlos Ghosn went there, he was able to achieve something that was very incontrovertible, was powerful. So you can think about that. So I want to remind you, go to my YouTube and business. I have motivation message. You watch them, subscribe to them. I also have their 15 minutes. Also have a channel, Your Marriage Based on Mind to What, their teachings on dating and courtship and marriage. Watch them, subscribe to them. Also have a channel, River from the Temple Sermon, their teachings on their sermons like or Economy of God. Watch them, subscribe to them. Also have academic videos, economics videos, and entrepreneurship. Watch them, subscribe to them. Also have a lot of ebooks, Amazon Kindle and Gumroad. Also go there, buy them, like Building Yourself, Assemble Millionaire, and all those things. Help